learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start! Get plus an object plus to plus infinitive.
When there is an object between get and the full infinitive, it often has the meaning to persuade something or somebody to do something.
I can get the baby to drink his milk. Would you like to try, please?
In this sentence, the mother was unable to convince her baby to drink his milk.
It was freezing and I couldn't get my car to start, so I took the subway.
Because of the frozen weather, I was unable to make the engine journey.
I feel unable to get my daughter to ask for a pay rise.
It means I couldn't urge her to do.
Please get John to help us mowing the grass. He's just playing video games.
Here, we are asking help from Dad because he is the only person who can persuade him.
He's a stubborn client. The delivery woman couldn't get him to sign the receipt.
This client was so difficult to convince him to sign the receipt.
Even there are 12 ways to use the flexible verb get. I'm sure people who watch these videos won't come across future difficulties with get.
I hope all these videos will be benefit for everybody.
Thank you for watching and do please subscribe to receive more.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.